morning to Chef CV's live cooking shows.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Chef CV, what's cooking? This is where the Munchie Mafia meets on YouTube
For an amazing hour or two.
streaming magic,
Mystery and mischief in her historic 126 years old kitchen,
deep in the shadows of an active volcano of the great Pacific Northwest.
a dash of love here,
A tiny pinch of passion there,
with the stirry stir
of the wooden spoon. Chef CV mixes food.
to delight the soul.
Go get yourself a drink and grab those tasty snacks. Tuck in your crazy mofos.
We'll be having a jolly time.
Oh my, oh my, oh my. Chef CV, what's cooking?
You'll want to like and subscribe to Munchie Mafia Official.
Don't forget to also click that little bell icon.
You may or may not receive notifications.
YouTube features are so damn bipolar. Oh, whiskey, whisk,
A mystery,
a stirry, stir,
a mischief,
a bakey, bake,
a whimsy,
and some laughy laughs. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Chef CV, what's cooking?
you'll not want to miss
Our brand new series, Cook Along with Chef CV. You can really cook along on our live stream.
on Saturday
Check out our community tab.
to find out what you will need. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Chef CV.
Let's
Get cooking.